Good morning, children. How are you? See, children, in our last session, we have discussed about the first chapter, My Family. Then, what we have discussed, children, about the poem and what can I do, and the best bird poem we have learned. Today, children, we are going to learn about the new chapter, My Day. My Day. So, before going to this chapter, before to start this chapter, children, let us discuss few things about your daily life. What you will do first? You wake up in the morning. Woke up in the morning. Okay. Then what you will do, children? Woke up in the morning. Then wash. Then you will wash your face. Wash the face. Then what you will do, children? Brushing. Then what you will do? Brushing. Then brushing after what you are doing, children? See, first early in the morning we woke up. Then we'll wash first of all our face. Then we'll brush our teeth. We have brushing. Then after that we drink milk. Thereafter what you will do, children? Thereafter you will go for a bath. Then after returning from bath, you will get ready for the school. Then you will have your breakfast. After eating the breakfast, you will pack up your bags and you will go to the school. After returning from the school, what you will have? You will first of all you will have your hand wash. You will wash your hands and legs neatly. Then you will have some snacks. After that, you will go for a play. Then after returning, you will have a bath. Then you will start your work. And at night, you will eat your dinner. Then you will go to the bed. This is the regular schedule that a student or a child follows. That is my day. Okay. What a student is doing the whole day. I'll explain you, children, in this story, in this lesson, what a boy is doing in his whole day. This is the regular pattern what a child do. Same thing here they have explained. See, children, first of all they have given you some pictures in page number 33 and they told to arrange. I go to sleep, I wake up, I get up. I'll write these words and we will write the correct order, okay? Then we will go to the lesson. First they gave, I go to play. What they gave, children? I go to sleep. This is the incorrect order. And here we will write the correct order. Next they gave, I wake up. Then they gave, I get up. Then they gave, I have dinner. Thereafter they gave, children, I get dressed. I get dressed. Then they gave, I go to bed. I go to bed. Two more statements they gave. I will write here. Then we will write the correct order. I go to bed. Then they gave, I go to school. I go to school. Then thereafter they gave, children, I come home from school. I come home from school. These are the statements. The first one, I go to school, I wake up, I get up, I have dinner, I get dressed, I go to bed, I go to school, I come home from school. These are the few statements which they have given us. Now let us discuss, children, what you will do first. First, will you go to sleep? No. First, starting early in the morning, we woke up. First statement, children, I wake up. What we will do? Wake up. Then I get up. లేచిన తర్వాత కిందకి దిగుతాం. Get up. These two completed. Then thereafter, what you will do? I get dressed. few points only they gave. I get dressed. I get dressed. Given points we are writing in a order. Okay, completed. I get dressed. This also completed. Now what remains? I have dinner, I go to bed, I go to school. After getting dressed, what we will do? Go to school. I go to school. I am writing the correct order, children. Now this one completed. Thereafter, what we will do after going to school? I come from school. I come from school. I come from school. Thereafter, what we will do, children? After coming from school, here I have dinner, I go to bed, I go to sleep. I have dinner, then I go to bed. Okay, then I go to bed. At last I go to sleep. In this way we will finish our one day. This is the regular schedule of a child. Now in this story, a boy is explaining about his regular schedule. A boy is explaining about his regular schedule. See, first I wake up, then I get up and wash my face. First what you will do, what he do? He wake up, then he get up, then he wash his face. Teddy does not wash his face. That boy has a beautiful teddy bear along with him, but that teddy bear didn't wash the face. Thereafter I brush my teeth and then I get dressed. After washing his face, he go for the brushing of the teeth. Then he brushed teeth. Thereafter, then I get dressed. After having brush, he have his bath. After that he dressed. Teddy does not brush his teeth. Even human beings brush teeth, but the toy bommalu brush chesaya no. But the teddy bear does not take the brush. Next I have breakfast. My favorite breakfast is upma. Now after brushing the teeth, that boy getting after having his bath, he having dressed, he is going for his breakfast. He is having his breakfast. And what is the favorite breakfast of the boy? Upma. What is the favorite breakfast? Upma. Then see children what is going on. I pack my bag and then I go to school. After eating his breakfast, he pack his bag and he go to the school. Teddy does not go to school with me. See, the boy is comparing all his activities with his toy. Boy ఎవరితో కంపేర్ చేస్తున్నారు? టెడ్డీతో. టెడ్డీ బ్రష్ చేయదు, టెడ్డీ స్కూల్కి రాదు. ఓకే, దిస్ బాయ్ has to do all work. See, I come home from school and then I play with my sister. After coming from school, he was playing with his sister. After that and together they both have lots of fun. Together they both have lots of fun. I have my dinner then I brush my teeth. After having dinner, again he brush his teeth, again he takes a bath, then he go to bed. Then I go to bed, I read my book. That time Teddy comes to bed with me and he used to sleep always along with the teddy bear. What is the schedule of the boy which has been explained to you? Early morning he woke up, he get up from his bed, first he wash his face, then he has his brushing teeth. After that he go for a bath. After bathing, after getting dressed, he eat his favorite breakfast, that is upma. After eating the breakfast, after eating upma, he packed his bag and he went to school. And after coming from the school, he was playing with his sister and having a lot of fun with his sister. And after that, see children, what he was doing, he is having his Again he is brushing the teeth and having the bath before going to the bed. This is a good habit. 2 times, twice a day we have to brush our teeth. Twice a day we have to bath. So brushing and bathing twice a day is a good habit for a kid. Now let us see, children, few of the words which has been explained to you in the lesson. Just a few of the words we will learn which has been explained to you in this chapter. First I'll once read the textbook, then I'll give you few of the words pronunciation, how to pronounce the word. What is the lesson name? My day. M-Y, my, D-A-Y, day. My day. Now first sentence. I wake up. Whenever we stop a sentence, whenever we are getting a full stop, children, we have to pause. We have to stop for a little bit. Then we have to start the new line. I wake up. Then I get up. And I wash my face. Teddy does not wash his face. Teddy does not wash his face. I brush my teeth. And then I get dressed. First I brush my teeth, then I get dressed. Teddy does not brush his teeth. Teddy does not brush his teeth. Next I have breakfast. My favorite breakfast is upma. I pack my bag and then I go to bed. I go to school. Teddy does not go to school with me. I come home from school and then I play with my sister. We have lots of fun. I have my dinner and then I brush my teeth. I take a bath too. Teddy does not take a bath. Then I go to bed and I read my book. Teddy comes to bed with me. Now we will discuss few of the words related to the children. How to pronounce W-A-K-E, wake. W-A-K-E, wake. G-E-T, get. G-E-T, get. W-A-S-H, wash. W-A-S-H, wash. F-A-C-E, face. T-E-D-D-Y, teddy. T-E-D-D-Y, teddy. B-R-U-S-H, brush. B-R-U-S-H, brush. T-E-E-T-H, teeth. D-R-E-S-S-E-D, dressed. D-R-E-S-S-E-D, dressed. B-R-E-A-K-F-A-S-T, breakfast. B-R-E-A-K-F-A-S-T, breakfast. F-A-V-O-U-R-I-T-E, favorite. F-A-V-O-U-R-I-T-E, favorite. U-P-M-A, upma. Next children, P-A-C-K, pack. P-A-C-K, pack. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. C-O-M-E, come. H-O-M-E, home. S-I-S-T-E-R, sister. S-I-S-T-E-R, sister. F-U-N, fun. F-U-N, fun. D-I-N-N-E-R, dinner. B-E-D, bed. B-E-D, bed. R-E-A-D, read. B-O-O-K, book. B-O-O-K, book. See children, today we will read few of the words related to the lesson My Day, where a boy explained, in which lesson the boy has explained about his regular schedule, daily schedule. So, what are the keywords for this chapter? See children, W-A-K-E, wake, G-E-T, get, W-A-S-H, wash, F-A-C-E, face, T-E-D-D-Y, teddy, B-R-U-S-H, brush, T-E-E-T-H, teeth, D-R-E-S-S-E-D, dressed, B-R-E-A-K-F-A-S-T, breakfast, F-A-V-O-U-R-I-T-E, favorite, U-P-M-A, upma, P-A-C-K, pack, S-C-H-O-O-L, school, C-O-M-E, come, H-O-M-E, home, S-I-S-T-E-R, sister, F-U-N, fun, D-I-N-N-E-R, dinner, B-E-D, bed, R-E-A-D, read, B-O-O-K, book, B-O-O-K, book. These are the keywords which help you to read this chapter. If you have bought the books, just read page number 34 and 35 from the textbook. Now children, let us discuss how to write the notes. Recently I have sent you the first chapter, notes, my family. I think you took help from your parents to write, but I request the parents to help the child to write the notebook, and I request you members, children, write yourself. If you don't know anything, then you ask help from the parents. Don't give simply notes to the parents to write. Okay, let us discuss children how to write a notebook. Now first I will draw a page on the board, then I will explain you how to write. Okay, suppose this is a page, this is the margin in red color. Okay, and this is the margin in the red color. So here we are having double rules. 1, 2, 3. Just I'll explain children. Here lesson 1, you have to write first date. I am writing today date. Here lesson 1. And the pencil, see children, how I am holding the pencil. Don't write like this. You have to hold in right hand. If you are left-handed, you better know how to hold. I don't know. Suppose lesson 1. What is our lesson 1? My family. ఇలా రాయాలమ్మా నోట్స్ నీట్గా రాయాలి. డబల్ లైన్ టచ్ అవుతూ నీట్గా. ఓకే. My family. And here near the margin you have to start new words. New words. This is how children you have to start your notebooks. Today your work to read the textbook. If you have, read page number 34 and 35. Okay children, have a nice day all of you.